Rubik's Cube, a mathematical construct and intellectual puzzle so common and well known, it has basically become a household toy, maybe even a piece of art to some. But whilst tiny children turn the individual pieces unknowingly, discovering one of the 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489,856,000 combinations, or in simpler terms, about 43 quintillion, and speedcubers push harder and harder to beat their perfect time in solving it, and come close to Yu Shengdu's world record time of 3.47 seconds. There are so many interesting things about the Rubik's Cube hiding just beneath the surface. So let's dive in. First Rubik's Cube was a 3x3 construct invented in 1974 by Hungarian sculptor and professor of architecture Erno Rubik, from where the name Rubik's Cube originates. However, Rubik did not intend originally for his invention to be a global sensation. After all, it was just glue and rubber bands holding together some wood and paper, and was designed to demonstrate three-dimensional movement to his architecture students. As of 2018, however, over 350 million cubes have been sold worldwide, and unsurprisingly, making it one of the most popular puzzles ever solved. At age 77, as of 2021, Erno Rubik has gathered a net worth of $100 million. Although it looks simple, with only 9 squares per face and only 6 different colours, that makes 54 squares to keep track of. However, in total, the cube has just 20 moving pieces, but each move readjusts 8 of them. This is generally slightly over what the human mind can track. Confused yet? So are we. Let me explain. Take this corner for example. Although there are 3 different colours on it, they are all actually attached to one moving piece. Still confused? Look at this different example on this edge piece, where there are 2 different colours but once again on the same single moving piece. If you add all of these moving pieces together, that equates to just 21 parts. This is because the 6 centre face pieces are actually connected on one axis. This can be seen when the cube is dismantled. Cue the cinematic montage. At the first speedcubing championship, held June 5th, 1982 in Budapest, Hungary, 19 people competed for the title as the fastest Rubik's Cube solver. The American Min Tai won with a single solve time of 22.95 seconds. This was the first recorded world record for the Rubik's Cube. However, as speedcubing became more popular and faster solve times were recorded, anything above 5 seconds is now irrelevant, as shown by Yu Shengdu's world record time at 3.47 seconds, taking the audience longer to register what had happened than it had taken them to solve it. Check this out. However, not all Rubik's Cubes are solvable. This is not possible with an untampered Rubik's Cube, but if someone intentionally or unintentionally twists or swaps any number of pieces, the cube becomes unsolvable. For the nerds out there, this is known as changing the paradigm. Thanks for hanging around until the end. As a small-time YouTube channel run by 2 people who have absolutely no idea what they're doing, we really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider dropping a like, and if you want to see more, then subscribe to get the latest from Sidetrack. Catch you in the next one.